Let's try hitting up this Puma store. Look, the entire store is 40 to 75% off. Let's try hitting this up. At the Puma Outlet. Like, these are all normally like $100, $110. 60% off, 40% off. Okay, they got all the BMW ones. They got these are all the BMW ones. It's not bad. I never noticed that's the BMW section. This is the Ferrari section. Look, all the Ferrari ones, 50% off. Normally $100. They're all 50 and $60. Not bad. Look at this. Got the old school suedes. Old school suedes. Look at this. $25, you guys. $25. Is that women's? Oh, this is women's. Oh, it's in the guys section. $25. Leather Clydes. 8.5. $25, you guys. Not bad. Look at this. They got some Kujis. Look. Normally $180, $70. Look at that. Soft as hell. Soft as hell. Yeah, we got some Kuji collabs here for cheap. They don't have the RXSs, but they got the RSOs. 60% off, $100. Not bad. That's 50% off, $85. Not bad. You got the Californias. Dude, I've been looking for these. They're all 50% off, $70, dude. They're all 50% off, $70. Dang, that's a good deal. You know what I've actually never noticed about these Californias? Like the cloth in the back, leather, and then suede up front. I don't know, or buck, nubuck? I think it's nubuck, yeah. It's really short, but never noticed that. Never noticed that. I think I'm gonna pass. I already bought a pair of shoes today. These are kind of cool. Old schools. Called the Puma Rebound layup. Not bad. Not bad. We're going for 65, 40% off, and 30% off. Not bad. With these, the Energy Nico Engineer Knit. Everybody calls these a knockoff of Boost, but these actually were engineered before Boost. Same company makes them. Same company makes them. BASF, I don't know. But these actually came out before them. They actually made these before Boost. So don't call them copycats. Even though we all did call them that. But whatever. The women's section. Not bad. Some sort of suede. I don't know. It's all embroidered on it. That's not look too bad. $28. $28. Whoa, look at these. What the hell are these? These are interesting. Look. A bronze toe? Why would they do it like a gold toe? Looks like a patent leather plastic material. The rest is buck. Weird. Look at this. They going out of business or something? Look at this. $15. $15 for some suedes. $15, man. Going out of business prices, man. It's crazy. Oh, these are sick. Look at these. Look at this. They're the softest shoes ever. Softest shoes ever. It's like super. It's like a sweater material. Sweatshirt material. I don't know. Super soft though. I think you can even see it. That boy's only $25. We're still in the women's section. These are kind of cool. The Cali 90s. They're kind of cool. All a nubuck material. Is it for $90? 40% off. Both got that nubuck. Super short though. Super short hair, nubuck. And women's t-shirts going for $10. There's Puma shirts. Oh look, men's t-shirts going for $10. Dang. Polos going for $15. That's crazy cheap. Crazy cheap. We are filming all kinds of new outlets today. Look, Converse outlet. Look, buy one get one 75% off. Let's try this Converse outlet. Let's check it out. You know, there's a lot of rubber on Converse because this whole shoe smells like rubber. Smells like rubber. Converse soles. Usually all the all-stars are exempt from the sales, but look, maybe it's his first time. No discount will be applied. So you could use this as the first one and then get one of the other sale items for the 75% off. Usually the ones that I get for my girl, I've bought like 7 or 8 of these this year already. But they got that tag on there, so I'm gonna look around. Let me look for some clearance stuff. Dude, 25 bucks, look at this. Size 7. What is this? Nubuck material. It's kind of hard. It's kind of rough to be really honest, but still 25 bucks. Not bad. Usually what I get for my girl, but then that's too steep. Too steep. Some more shorelines, what I normally get. Still, they're kind of price tag today. Maybe because the buy one get one 75% off. This is crazy. But I guess it's cool for kids. So. This is cool for kids. Size 9. The size 9 is actually not bad. Maybe some low top chucks. It's not bad. This is kind of cool. Cool. Okay. Alright, we're back in the regular section for the guys. Let's check the size 9s. 35 bucks. Look at this. Looking like the 1-star type of. Oh, all-stars. These are all stars. Okay. Okay. 35 bucks. Not bad. Not bad. For those of you who like some bling, look at that. 35 bucks. That'd be perfect for like those guys that are dressed in silver. That's the street performers that are dressed in silver. Some super soft suede joints for some of you guys. 45. And this damn near go for retail. What's so special about these? Like water resistant material. Kind of priced high. These are something different. Kind of like a modern ultra. They go for 55. Normally 110. Yeah. Oh, these are nice. Look at this. 60 bucks compared to 110. These were sold out on the. These were sold out. I think this came out on the night. The sneakers ad. Old school. I swear I think these came out on the sneakers ad. Let me know if you guys know that or not, because I swear I remember these. Yeah, 60 bucks go instead of 110. Size 12. So look at these. We got some boots, Converse boots. Never seen that before. These are just straight leather, buck leather. I've never seen that before. Oh, there you go. Yeah, Converse coming out with all kinds of new stuff I've never seen. Yeah. So this will be the thumbnail, baby. Oh, yeah, that's interesting. Looking joints. Look at this. The MSRP is $39. The outlet price $39. Kind of weird. You don't get no more retros than this. Do not get no more retros than this. Like 4 inches tall platforms. Holy crap. For those of you that want to be a baller, that want to be a little taller, bam, there you go. So for the regular All-Stars, yeah, they normally 60, go 55. So they're a little bit cheaper, but they're not crazy. And they got a whole good selection of those. So whole selection. They got 3-4 hours worth of just the All-Stars on the other side. So yeah, for those of you who like the Converse All-Stars, definitely a place to check out. So that was the Converse outlet. Doing something a little different today. We did a Puma outlet. We did a Converse outlet. I'm trying to figure out how to put all this stuff together, but yeah, I think I'm gonna do the Puma and the Converse outlet together. And yeah, let me know what you guys think, dude. If you guys want me to continue going to these, you know, I usually mostly go to the Nike and the Adidas outlets, but if you guys want me to hit up these other outlets, let me know. Yeah, let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit that like button, do all that good stuff. And thanks for watching, you guys. See you in the next one. Peace.